top 10 worst new car deals this year. Starting with number 10, Hyundai Santa Fe, 7% over MSRP. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe, which has a starting MSRP of $33,950 and boasts several innovative features, including a redesigned tailgate area for increased usability, 2 wiring charging pads, power reclining and folding adjustments for captain's chairs with a unique cushion angle adjustment for relaxation mode, and a bilateral multi-console for accessible storage from both front and second row seats. Other highlights include a grab handle for roof access, a new digital key for easier vehicle access, a UVC sanitizer tray for personal items, and a panoramic curved display enhancing the interior's upscale look. 7% over MSRP on average gets you into a Santa Fe. And at the end, we'll cover the criminal way that Hyundai and other dealerships are getting customers to pay over MSRP. Number 9, Toyota Prius, 7% over MSRP. The 2024 Toyota Prius starts at $27,950 and has earned the title of MotorTrend Car of the Year, making a significant impact with its redesigned features. It showcases a new level of style and performance. It does look oh so good. And it integrates traditional Prius values of efficiency, safety, and value with upscale design language like these beautiful angular headlights and sleek-looking silhouette. With its starting price under $30,000, it undercuts America's average new car price significantly. The Prius combines a modern 2-liter engine with powerful motors and larger batteries, achieving up to 57 miles per gallon for the Prius and 45 miles of all-electric range for the Prius Prime plug-in hybrid. You'll be looking to pay 7% over MSRP to hypermild this Toyota. Number 8, Ford Maverick, 8% over MSRP. The 2024 Ford Maverick, starting at $23,815, stands out for its value, efficiency, and clever design. It offers both a fuel-efficient hybrid and a capable EcoBoost engine. With thoughtful packaging and plenty of storage, its design focuses on practicality and ease of use, making it a unique option in the compact truck market. The Maverick is not only affordable, but also includes features like a standard hybrid powertrain option and a variety of off-road packages, further enhancing its appeal. 8% over MSRP will probably get you into this truck. Number 7, Kia Sorento, 9% over MSRP. The 2024 Kia Sorento, starting at $31,990, distinguishes itself with a fresh, athletic design featuring a sculpted front end and vertically stacked LED headlights for a futuristic look. Inside, it boasts a panoramic curved display that integrates digital gauges and infotainment screens. Supported by Kia's advanced CCNC system, this thing is ready to rock and roll. The Sorento introduced the X Pro trim, enhancing off-road capability with features like all-terrain tires and increased towing capacity. Standard across all trims are 10 advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, which will enhance safety and convenience. Be willing to pay 9% over to get the privilege to own this Kia. Number 6, Ford F-250, 10% over MSRP. The 2024 Ford Super Duty starts at $44,970 and maintains its rugged charm with pronounced body panels, striking grills, and headlamps, alongside 2 new color options, darkened bronze metallic and glacier gray metallic tri-coat. Inside, it offers luxurious touches and high trims, like max recline seats. Tech-wise, expect an 8-inch touchscreen in base models and a 12-inch in premium ones, with an available Bang & Olufsen audio system. Under the hood, it boasts potent V8 engines and high towing capacities. Look to pay 10% over MSRP for this workhorse. Number 5, Kia Sportage, 10% over MSRP. The 2024 Kia Sportage, starting at $27,190, which yes, also includes a hybrid version, impresses with a blend of efficiency, space, and advanced technology. It offers class-leading space and distinctive design choices, setting it apart in the compact SUV segment. The Sportage Hybrid, in particular, is highlighted for its powerful and efficient performance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a balance of power and fuel economy. If you're interested in this Kia, expect to pay 10% over. Number 4, Ford Bronco, 10% over MSRP. The 2024 Ford Bronco, from $39,630, impresses with its rugged appeal and off-road prowess. It's celebrated for its distinctive looks, and it sports removable roofs and doors, enhancing the off-roading experience. On the downside, it's a bit rough around the edges and can get noisy at high speeds. The Bronco continues to offer a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an available 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6. And now you get standard 12-inch infotainment touchscreens across all models. Expect to pay 10% over to ride a Bronco. Number 3. Ford Mustang Mach-E. 12% over MSRP. The 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E, starting at $58,995, is celebrated for its engaging drive and innovative technology. It's updated with new wheel options and paint colors, alongside the discontinuation of the California Route 1 trim and introduction of the Select all-wheel drive extended range variant. The Mach-E stands out with a good driving experience, a large front trunk, or frunk, and hands-free driving capability, despite criticisms for its design and reliance on the infotainment touchscreen. Look to spend 12 over to get into this EV pony. Number 2. Ford Ranger, 13% over MSRP. The 2024 Ford Ranger, starting at $32,670, offers a new V6 engine option, enhanced styling, and increased capability. It's designed with a broader and more dominant look, thanks to a 2-inch increase in body and frame width. The Ranger also introduces practical features like air venting fender vents for each trim level and a uniquely styled rear step for easy bed access. It kind of looks like somewhere I'd like to sleep. Engine options include a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4 and a 2.7-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6, which provides a blend of power and efficiency. Expect unlucky 13% over MSRP for this Ranger Danger. And at number 1, Ford F-150, 13% over MSRP. Yes, number 1, the 2024 F-150, starting at $36,570, it drops its base 3.3-liter V6 engine, opting for the more powerful 2.7-liter twin-turbo as the new standard. This change brings a significant boost in power to the lineup, enhancing the truck's performance and competitiveness in its segment. This engine update aligns with Ford's focus on providing robust powertrains across its F-150 range, ensuring that even the entry-level models offer strong performance and towing capabilities. The full-size F-150 receives a full-size markup of around 13% over MSRP. Now, listen up. Here is the almost criminal way Hyundai, Kia, and other dealers are preying on customers. This is their exact formula to mark up vehicles and get you to pay. First, a salesperson presents you with a document showing various monthly payment plans, urging you to pick one and sign without revealing the interest rates or the overall purchase cost, claiming that even the finance department hasn't disclosed this information to them. Then, after way more time than it should take, the finance representative confronts you with numerous documents suggesting additional purchases, often implying they're necessary for the vehicle purchase. Now, should you attempt to opt out, the finance team references the document you initially signed, indicating that you've already consented to a monthly payment that includes these added costs. This approach is on the verge of being illegal, and although they might back down if you firmly stand your ground, many customers, worn out by the whole process, just want to finalize the deal and leave with their new vehicle. The current scarcity or fake scarcity that dealerships are doing with their inventory across various brands only amplifies the effectiveness of such tactics, putting additional pressure on you as a buyer. And dealers are allowed to sell cars over MSRP for the same exact reasons that they're able to sell the cars for under MSRP. So, have you ever bought a vehicle for over MSRP? I did. I paid over $30,000 over MSRP for a Bronco Raptor just last year, which is like 30% over MSRP. And yeah, it hurts. So, let us know your experiences down in the comments below. And check out these vids over here. I'm Brad the Financial Cowboy. This is Ideal and promise me one thing. Keep living the ideal lifestyle.